अंकल आप लोग यहीं पे. Okay, guys. Before I tell Hrithik to say a few words, one more time, huge round of applause for Hrithik Roshan, Global Brand Ambassador. DC Tex Furniture.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. This is so lovely. Thank you. And thank you for those wonderful words. I just want to say one thing. I've always believed that people who build and create other people's homes have to have one thing for certain. They have to have a really, really big heart. I was already assured of that with the Arora family because we go back a long way. Nimish and we know each other since the second standard. He used to help me with the homework. I mean, seriously, अगर ये ना होते तो शायद एक दो क्लास में fail हो जाता. So thank you for that. And I think knowing that he took advantage of that कि यार मैंने वहाँ help की थी, अब तू ये कर. So, but jokes apart, as I was saying, I already know, because of the kind of love I have received from this family, I already know about the kind of love they have in their hearts, the vision that they have for the world and what they want to build. But what really got me to sign on the dotted line, what really got me convinced was when I saw the product. And I have to say this on stage here, that I was really, when I touched and I felt the comfort and, I mean, it was just fantastic. It was the product that got me to sign on the dotted line. I'm so proud to say that. Not many times have I got the opportunity while endorsing something to really believe in saying something like that. So I think that needs a round of applause for them. Yeah. And that's what made me believe that I'm not just partnering with DC Tex here. I am partnering with the best. And it is the best because Nimish's vision, the family's vision for DC Tex is right up there. It's at the highest level. And I like working with people who dream big, who have vision that is, you know, uncompromising commitment to that vision. And that's what DC Tex is, the best. Thank you.
Hrithik, we really want to thank, on behalf of our 800 retailers, the advent of the new face of home furnishing of India, Mr. Hrithik Roshan. Each and everything what he does is from the heart.
The question was actually answered by you before I could ask it, so that's fantastic. Why DC Tex? My second question really is, like you said, a lot of actors, they endorse a lot of products, but don't personally use them. What I really want to know is, do you personally or would you personally use DC Tex?
अभी दोस्त की कंपनी है तो एडवांटेज तो लूंगा ना यार. So yeah, I mean it was my good fortune that DC Tex has become a part of my home now, and I have to say I'm really enjoying it. So thank you for that.
Thank you, boss.
Nimish, you had a question for Hrithik?
Hrithik,
No childhood questions.
no
please.
childhood, yeah. The retailers want to know आपने क्या किया है, क्या करेंगे. I think we had a good time shooting this new campaign. So why don't we ask him to probably sit and
Sure.
he will
Before
unveil
that, before you do that, there's one more question which had come from. They want to know what your vision really is. How far and how long do you see DC Tex Furnishing go ahead with you as a brand ambassador?
Lifelong, yeah.
Thank you.
Lifelong.
Superb.
Thank you. Woo! We have a tough way to go because he's a rock star. I don't know how much. I'll have to lose weight first, I think. होम फर्निशिंग्स में तो वेट नहीं लूज करेंगे जगदीश जी, कपड़े का वजन भारी करते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग को थोड़ा पतला होना पड़ेगा क्योंकि रॉक स्टार आ गया हमारी इंडस्ट्री में. बहुत सीखने वाले हम लोग इनसे. थैंक यू सो मच बॉस. थैंक यू.
Can we have would you like to see the making first?
Yeah, please.
Can we have the making of the ad, please? You know, I say this every time. This is I think the fourth time I'm hosting an event with Hrithik. And every time I ask this one question, have you seen somebody as perfect as him? नहीं, ये सच्ची में पूछ रहा हूँ. ये मेरी पर्सनल सवाल है. ये स्क्रिप्ट का हिस्सा नहीं था. मैं हमेशा इसको देखता हूँ, मुझे लगता है, और मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्यों ये सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. His intensity, his enthusiasm, his earnest, you know, it's always there. And there couldn't be no better brand association than DC Tex, which does the same in their furnishings.
I agree. You know why? Because this entire ad was practically directed by this man.
अच्छा.
वो कैमरे के पीछे खड़े होके ना ऋतिक क्या ये थोड़ा इस तरह थोड़ा ये लाइटिंग अच्छी नहीं है यार. ये कैमरा को यहाँ पे रखते हैं यार.
ये भी enthusiastic है.
This was what was happening behind the so.
Fantastic. I'd like to now request Mr. Arora, Mr. Rajneesh Arora, to come join us here. There's something special we need to do. ये तो यहाँ तक की कहानी थी दोस्तों, जहाँ तक ऋतिक की एड शूट करने की, ब्रांड एसोसिएशन की बात थी. लेकिन डीसी टेक्स की इतने ढेर सारे जो डिज़ाइंस हैं, वो सब यहाँ पे दिखाना नामुमकिन था. इसलिए ये सारे डिज़ाइंस हम लोगों ने एक कैटलॉग में रखा है. लेकिन इससे पहले कि ऋतिक साहब ये लॉन्च करें, मैं चाहता हूँ, वो कहावत सुनी होगी आपने, बिहाइंड एवरी सक्सेसफुल मैन there is, आगे बोलो, there is a woman or two. I'd like to request Mrs. Arora, Anjali Arora, Sonali Arora, and also Ashna.
And Veer Arora, of course.
And Veer, the future of DC Tex. Everybody to come on stage, please. With a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. This is the real backbone of any company or any family.
Hey, congratulations, Sonali.
How are you? Congratulations. Yeah. What's your mother tongue?
So this is a home furnishing catalog showing him as one of the icons of home furnishing. Can we have some brochures as well? Amrita, please.
You should just unveil that.
So this is the home furnishing
Let me hold the mic. Let me hold the mic.
brochure, Hrithik. It's there now in among 800 retailers with your face.
I think all the ladies must help me. Come on.
Yes.
I must thank all the people who encouraged me to sign Hrithik as a brand ambassador. My wife is one of the key people. My son, my EO, YPO friends, you know, my forum, I don't know if they are here. My friend Tarun Khatwani, my staff, you know, my father, my mother, you know, my brother. You're going to make it happen.
Butter. Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the wonderful catalog. Mr. Arora, कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
इन लेडीज के लिए मैं दो शब्द कहूंगा. हमने तो अपने प्यार की इंतहा कर दी, लो आज से आपके नाम सारी जिंदगी कर दी.
क्या बात है? Thank you very much. Thank you. आइए, please. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. एंड सारे बोलो जय माता की.
जय माता दी.
जोर से बोलो.
जय माता दी.
ऋतिक भी बोले.
जय माता दी.
So for the press, it's a unique function.
Thank you very much.
All heartfelt. Dil se hai.
You might want to. You want the catalog with it? देख अभी.
Yeah. Correct. ये नाम अभी announce कर दें. Names.
That's all done. That's all done. I've spoken to you.
How's it going to go? He'll announce it.
Just stay here. Whenever I call out to you, just come. जाओ ना यार. उस तरफ जाओ. उस तरफ जाओ.
retailers on stage who have come from various places in the world.
So guys, please I'd request the photographers to kind of give some way, क्योंकि हर कंपनी के पीछे एक बैकबोन होता है, वो बैकबोन हम चाहते हैं कि आप स्टेज पर आएं. The distributors.
Of applause. Mr. Arjun Agarwal from Pride, Mr. Suleiman
Why are you
Hirani
showing the
from
hand?
Darpan Furnitures, Mr. Ashwini Khurana.
नहीं, he's saying the name for everybody. Just face there and stand there. Right, please request everybody to settle down. In my mind, you know.
So request the press to step in for the Q&A.
Yes, yes. If people sit down, ना जाए नहीं रहे. ऋतिक से या निमिष से सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं, आप लोग हाथ उठाएं और पूछिए, और आपसे एक ही दरख्वास्त है कि keep the questions to DC Tex and Ritik's branding, okay? Ritik, may I request you to come? And please keep the questions to DC Tex. Thank you. Yes, please. Can somebody give them a mic, please?
Ask him to wait for a while.
You want a mic? Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello, Ritik.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes,
Hello.
yes. Yes, ma'am. What's your name?
I
And
would like to ask Ritik a question.
Yes, hello, ma'am. Hi.
Yeah, hi. Good evening, Ritik.
Good
You are
evening to you.
looking charming as ever.
Sorry?
You are looking charming as ever.
I just wanted to hear it once more. Thank you.
Ritik, congratulations for endorsing this brand.
Thank
What
you.
is any specific reason to endorse this brand? What made you to sign this brand? This one question. And second question, I would like to, what is your idea of comfort and rejuvenation?
My idea of comfort?
And rejuvenation, relaxation.
Ah, yeah, okay. As I said, I like to partner with people who believe in excellence, who have a vision to do something that is in a way to contribute to the world in a better way, you know, to make our lives a little happier. I think, as I said in the making, I do that through my movies, and I believe that Nimish and his family and this company does that through their work. So that's, I think, something that appeals to me. Yeah.
next question.
Oh, sorry, you had one more question.
No, no.
What?
Next question from the next gentleman.
Okay.
Unless you want to go on.
We can keep the questions limited to the press, and we can take questions from there itself. Rohit, yeah.
You know, you need to up the feedback a bit because we can't hear each other. Yes? Any more questions? Can somebody give the gentleman a mic?
Yeah, catch. Oh,
Excuse me, Mr. Rohit. I have a question for Mr. Senior Arora Saab.
जी जी
Can I have him on the stage?
जी जी बिल्कुल
Senior Arora Saab. Jogesh.
आइए
अरोड़ा साहब, हाँ,
कहाँ पर हैं
आपसे मेरा सवाल ये है कि आपने ज़िंदगी में इतना बढ़िया मकाम हासिल किया है. आपके राइट साइड में सरदार जी बैठे होंगे, राजेंद्र सिंह मकराना मैगजीन से. अरोड़ा साहब इधर, राइट हैंड साइड में,
This side.
दिस साइड.
हाँ जी और
आपने ज़िंदगी में इतना बढ़िया मकाम हासिल किया है, आज डीसी टैक्स के ज़रिए आप पहुंचे हैं यहाँ पर, यहाँ तक लेके आए हैं।
हाँ जी।
तो आपने शेर व शायरी में बड़ा अपना इंटरेस्ट दिखाया। हम चाहते हैं कि आप एक बुक लॉन्च करें, एक किताब लिखें जिसमें शेर व शायरी हो। और
उन्होंने बोला कि आप इतने शेर शायरी मार रहे हो तो आप कोई बुक लॉन्च करने वाले हो? क्योंकि होम फर्निशिंग की तो किताबें हम बना ही रहे हैं और सब जगह भेज रहे हैं सैम्पल बुक्स, तो ये पूछ रहे हैं।
आजकल जनरल बच्चों का ज़माना आ गया है, तो मैं चाहूँगा कि ये जो भी कुछ नीचे जो भी कुछ काम करना है वो मेरे बच्चों के थ्रू हो। दैट माई सिंसियर जो आशीर्वाद है वो मेरे बच्चों के लिए है, और उनको ही देख के मुझे ज़्यादा खुशी होगी अपने से ज़्यादा।
Thank you, sir. Yeah, next question for Ritik.
यस ऋतिक जी, एक बहुत बड़े एक्टर, एक दूसरी टेक्सटाइल के हैं, आप पिक्चरों में सब एक्टर से ऊपर बढ़ गए हैं। क्या इस टेक्सटाइल में भी उस एक्टर को मात दे के डीसी टेक्स को सबसे ऊपर लेके जाएंगे?
देखिए, तालियां ऑलरेडी बज चुकी हैं, तो आई डोंट नीड टू आंसर दैट ओनली।
थैंक यू।
Yeah, next question, please.
सवाल आंसर इतना अच्छा था, क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आया।
I think he's addressed most of it. No? It will be a repetition. Yeah.
Hi Ritik, this is Prerna.
Hi, Prerna.
Yeah, so I would want to talk about your film. So recently there are rumors that you've stepped out of Nikhil Advani's Bazaar. Is that true?
Can I just take this?
Do you believe in rumors? Is the question.
I want a confirmation from you. That is why
No,
I'm
it's
asking
not.
you.
It's not true. The beginning and the end, both were not true.
Just a request. I requested all the members of the press. We are here for a very special occasion. I'm sure you'll get Ritik later when he addresses you. But let's stick to DC.
Here, left. From here.
Yeah.
Right,
yeah.
right, sir. Right, sir.
Yeah, okay. Sorry.
Ritik, business is all about making relationship as such. In profession.
Business is all about making relationships.
Yeah, building relationship.
Your
I mean to
entire
say.
life is about that, yara.
So how far have you been successful in making relationship in personal and professional front as such?
Sorry, I didn't understand your question. Oh, I think, I got your question. I think the true success of a man really is how he is living in other people's hearts. So your relationships with every single person you meet, if you're not leaving back a part of you with the people in your life, in the journeys of growth, like we are here together, if I'm not going to leave a part of me with them here or with you, then I have lived half a life. So I think the true success of a man is about his relationships with everyone.
Hi Ritik, over here. Yeah, hi. So Ritik, even you are even called the Greek god. So how does it feel to be called the Greek god? Already India में इतने सारे भगवान हैं, तो एक Greek god कहलाना कैसा लगता है? And the next, what it requires to be a Greek god?
So I landed in Greece one day. I was shooting for Bang Bang. So I landed in Greece और इतना वो Greek god मुझे मतलब I had heard. So automatically I entered Greece with an expectation. कि भैया God आ गया है अभी तो मतलब some reaction I should get. कुछ नहीं हुआ सर, सब धोखा है. ऐसा अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? मैं तो Greek god हूँ. ये reaction क्यों नहीं हो रही? Just kidding. I think it's very humbling that I have been complimented in such magnificent ways, or it is only something that motivates me even further. I don't believe the people really think I'm a Greek god. Of course, they're not fools, they're not silly. But I think what comes across is जो मेरी मेहनत है, जो मेरे struggles हैं, जो hard work जो मैंने किया है, I think that reflects in all our eyes, each one of us, our experiences. And I think somewhere there is how I receive the compliment of being someone who is aspirational, because that's what I always want to be. I am still aspiring to be a better version of myself all the time. So I think that's the best way to answer that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ritik on your right. Ritik.
Last,
Ritik, sir. Ritik,
last
sir, on your
question,
right.
please. Last question,
Ritik,
please.
sir, on your right.
Stand up, na?
Yeah, on your right. Here. Hi, this is Simran Singh from Bollywood Nazar. My question to you, sir. My question to you, sir, कि अगर आपको एक मौका दिया जाए अपने अलावा आप कौन से एक एक्टर का घर सजाना चाहेंगे कोई बॉलीवुड एक्टर का नेम वन
Yeah, you got to speak a little slower. What is the question?
ओके
और किसी और एक्टर का घर सजाना चाहेंगे
किसी एक्टर का योर फ्रेंड नेम वन
यार अपना घर सजाते सजाते मैं थक गया हूँ. It takes so much time, man. किसी और एक्टर मतलब मेरे काम वाम नहीं है क्या?
बट स्टिल अगर किसी को आप रेकमेंड करना चाहे किसी का आप घर सजाना चाहे तो किसको
बिल्कुल नहीं, अपने घर में खुश हूँ मैं.
Thank you very much. Thank you guys, and thank you all of you for spending such valuable time with us.
1 minute.
And before we end the evening, Uncle would like to say something.
ऋतिक के लिए 2 शब्द जरूर कहूँगा. इसका थैंक्स करने के बाद न जाने कौन से जहां से आ गया है ये, न जाने कौन से जहां से आ गया है ये, न जाने किन किन के दर्शन करवा गया है ये. अरे हमें तो प्यास थी 2-4 कतरों की, पूरा समुंदर ही पिला गया है ये.
क्या बात है. Thank you so much. Okay, now listen. Before we go, we have to take a picture. हाँ ना? No, you have to be. तू कैसे लेगा? तो चलेगा. No, let's do. No, before you go, I have to take one picture. जल्दी ले. सीधा ले. Come, let me light. 1 second. नहीं, selfie ले रहा है? Give it to her ना, she'll take it. Selfie ले रहा है क्या ले रहा है? Give it to her. Selfie नहीं है, selfie में अच्छा नहीं होता. Come upload, Ali. Go, Nimesh. Thank you. Let's go. Come back. Go to the No, I will see.
चलो, I'll see you.